Hey everyone, कैसे हो आप लोग? So in this video we are going to talking about what is encapsulation in Java. So encapsulation in Java is one of the pillar of object-oriented programming, and as per the traditional definition, the process of binding of data and method together is known as the encapsulation. But what it actually means? So basically, providing the controlled access instead of direct access of properties and methods of class is basically what the encapsulation is. So how we achieve encapsulation? By providing setters and getters, and how we declare the properties. We declare the properties as private so that outside the class it will not be accessed directly. So when we create object of class getMoney, it has two properties: get a balance and name. So if we create object of getMoney and set the balance as 1 lakh and set the name as Raj, and it will set the name and the bank balance. And when we try to get the get balance and get name using the object reference s1, then it will simply give the name and balance. So this is all about the encapsulation in Java. So hope this video helps, and thank you very much for watching the video.